Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete themes or wallpapers you have previously installed on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. On your home screen, touch and hold on the screen and then tap on themes. In themes, you want to tap on the menu key at the top here and then tap on My Stuff. In My Stuff, in order for you to delete a theme, you need to not using that theme at the moment. So you can see here at the moment my phone is using the dark neon theme. So in order for me to remove this theme, I need to select another theme. So I'm going to choose the default one, then tap on Applied. Okay, now I need to go back into the theme settings. So touch and hold on the home screen, then tap on the Themes tab at the bottom, then tap on the menu key, then tap on My Stuff. And now you can see the delete buttons is available for me to remove. So I'm going to touch and hold onto this theme and then tap on delete. And now that theme is deleted. Now to remove a wallpaper, you tap on the Wallpapers tab and then select the wallpaper that you have previously installed. So I'm going to hold that one down and touch and hold and then select the wallpaper and then tap on delete. So I'm going to delete this video as well and then tap on delete, and that's it. So that's how you can delete previously installed themes or wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.